One morning I found this Suzuki Vinson on Craigslist, very cheap. It was cheap for a reason, because it was totally rotten and disgusting. But it was a really good runner, so I did end up purchasing it for $1,200, which I thought was a pretty good deal for a running, driving, four-wheel drive quad with a plow. Proceeded to strip it down and make the repair on the frame. So we have some video footage and a bunch of pictures where I'll kind of explain how I fixed this horrible rot that you can see here. There it is. Suzuki Vinson 500. This is it after tearing it apart. Paid $1,200 for this. All the plastics were disgusting on it. It's looking a lot better now that all that shit's off, but here's the main problem. This disgusting mess that I need to fix. Ugh, gross. I'm disgusted just looking at it. Otherwise, the rest of it is in pretty good shape. Straight, rides straight. It's not bad. So hopefully it's not too much work, but it probably will be, and I'll probably be regretting it. Here are all the plastics that came off it. There's more inside. Oh, that's about it. Oh, gotta start it. See how it runs. Runs really, really nice. So the cracking on the frame and the brakes in the frame are pretty bad. That's part of the frame. You can see this entire section just basically broke right out. Someone did a horrendous job of trying to weld this. Basically just made it worse. I mean, maybe it worked for a little while. And you come over to the other side, you can see this break in the frame gets bigger and smaller. Went to move it, and the drive shaft for the front diff just popped right apart. That's how far it spread. So I really got to weld this thing up. Gusted it. You can see underneath how damaged everything is, especially right up there. I don't know. I don't know if I'm really. Yeah, right there. But pretty bad. But hopefully you get this toilet going. First thing I did was put this ratchet strap on to pull the frame together. Then I went ahead and welded this brake. That way I could move it around better to work on it. So here's the repair I've made. This was just the first crack in the frame. I welded it, sleeved it with a piece of black pipe, and just put gusset in there. It doesn't look that pretty, but it is really strong. And that's the first repair. So this side was obviously the more difficult side to work on. So I first took a piece of black pipe, put a gentle bend in it, kind of fitted up where all that rot was before. Tried to get to solid steel there. You could see I welded it in place. Looks pretty good, actually. Welded the cross member back together. Then I winched the whole thing up in the air and I cleaned the entire undercarriage to prepare to gusset and just add extra steel for strength because the rot was just so bad. Here's the finished product. I took some flat stock and welded it in there. Sleeved a couple pieces with pipe. Welded the plow mount on, added some more flat stock just to kind of band everything together. Then, of course, I painted it up. Looks pretty nice. Job came out pretty good. I just decided to weld the foot peg right on. And then I got some new red plastics for it off eBay. There it is with the plow on it.